And for this one, we have y squared. So y squared means what kind of parabola that we have here? It must be horizontal. So you may want to just write it down just to remind yourself that it is a horizontal parabola. Now, which way would it open? We don't know yet. We will find out when we get the full p-value. So we have y squared plus 8y, and then we throw all the things to the other side. So 6x minus 4 on the right-hand side of the equation. We will complete the square, so we will plus 16 on both sides. So we have y plus 4 on the left. We have 6x plus 12 on the right. And you factor out the 6 on the right. So that would be your standard form equation. Okay. So where's the vertex? The vertex is what's wrong? The other way, right? Can you see how people would make this mistake? Why would people write this as the vertex? Or the way they look, it's just scanning from left to right. So whatever that's on the left, that's the x. Whatever that's on the right is the y. So they're not really reading into the parentheses. So when you get the x value of the vertex, you need to get it from the parentheses with the x. When you want to get the y coordinate of the vertex, then read into the parentheses with the y. Okay, so make sure you know what you're reading. And what's 4p here? Well, 4p is 6, so p is 3/2. So let's go ahead and plot our vertex. And since we know the p-value, 1.5 units away, it's here. And we know it's to the right-hand side because 4p is 6. That means it's opening to the right. Okay, p is positive, so it's opening to the right. And the length of lattice rectum, it's absolute value of 4p, which is 6. So that means 3 units up and 3 units down of the focus. We got 2 points. And now we can draw the parabola. So we got the focus, we got the vertex, we got the endpoints of the lattice rectum, and we can also draw the directrix, which is 1.5 units away from the vertex. So that would be x equals to negative 3.5. The focus is negative 0.5 or negative 1.5, comma, negative 4. The axis of symmetry, it's y equals to negative 4. Okay. So I would say the biggest challenge, by now completing the square should not be a challenge to you. Should not be. So my feeling is this: the biggest challenge is that are you telling the orientation correctly? Okay, do you know it's vertical? Do you know it's horizontal? Do you know it's opening left, right, up, or down? Okay, how readily are you extracting the information from the p-value? I think that's the biggest challenge for parabola.